Welcome to this fabulous golf course facing 5-bedroom villa here in Victory Heights, and check this out. So this is your entrance garden, and I'm going to walk you straight into the house and then we'll come and check out the garden afterwards. So here we have it. So it's a 5-bedroom villa, and as we walk in, you've got your secondary living area here, which is actually really lovely and light. We've got the blinds closed a bit because of the sun today, but really nice, light and airy living space. All the floors here, by the way, have been upgraded, but many of you may be thinking this is a great renovation project. So, look at the space more than all of the sort of nitty-gritty detail, and then we can make a plan as to how we can renovate this into something fabulous. So we've got a downstairs bedroom. So this is bedroom 1, and then you've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. So that one looks back towards the front garden, and it's got built-in cupboards and a bathroom. I don't want to get too much into the detail because, again, I think most people that are looking at this video will just be wanting to do a complete renovation project anyway. So it's more about the space. You've got some storage here as well under the stairs, and that was back through the front door. So we've also got a guest powder room downstairs. So again, by the way, these floors, as I said, they have all been renovated. Now let's look in the living area. So the living room is going straight out to the garden, which has its own swimming pool, and it's facing the golf course. Here is the dining area, and we'll just check out the garden here. So look at this. So you've got your swimming pool, sunken barbecue, entertainment area, great for parties. And then you've got your pagoda down there at the end. Isn't it lovely? So nice with all these birds as well. We just come around here so you can get a really good idea for the garden. So absolutely fabulous space, really, really nice for outdoor entertaining. That's back down to the front door. You can sit out here, have lunch, breakfast, and let's just show you around the back of the property here, so you can get round to the garage as well as also to the maid's room and the side of the house, the kitchen. So let's come back in the kitchen and check out. So you've got a nice upgraded white kitchen here, all open plan. Here's Casey the dog. Hello, Casey. Here you have it. Okay. And in that room is the maid's room in there with a bathroom. And you've also got the laundry room there next to Casey. Say hi, Casey. Okay, now let's go back upstairs. And I will show you around the 4 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, so. And as you look back down, you can see where we just came through the front door. So we've got 4 bedrooms. We've had 1 bedroom downstairs. This is another secondary master bedroom. It's not the master. And this faces out towards the front of the house. You've got a little balcony there, built-in cupboards. And you've got a bathroom here. Again, definitely want to be renovating the bathroom in there. And then here's bedroom 2 upstairs. There we have it. It's got a little balcony there. So that's bedroom 2. They're using it for an upstairs living area. And I love this sort of open plan hallway upstairs here. And you've got bedroom 3. Here we have it. Now bedroom 3 and the master have the golf course views. Isn't that lovely? What a gorgeous view. So that is the golf course right here, okay? So no one's building in front of you, which is always good. And you've got a walk-through wardrobe and a bathroom as well here. Nice spacious bathroom. And then finally, the best till last is the master bedroom, which is enormous. What a size for this. And got your walk-in cupboards here. And your bathroom in here with your bath and your shower as well. So that is the 5 bedrooms. Let's just check out the view from your master. Really, really nice. Straight down. So if you want some more details about this property, look below in the description. You've got the size here and my details, and I can bring you to see this property even today. It's on at a great price. It's a good size, very, very large. And of course, you cannot find golf course properties today at this price. So get in touch with me very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.